Day 4, hour 8, camping with Sheran Meletti, and it's not very fun. She knows nothing. Does anyone know where the bathroom is? No. Do you? Sheran, we're in the woods. There's no bathroom in the woods. How do you know? Because I've been camping before. Have you? No, you haven't. Okay. If you want to go pee-pee. Pee-pee. Okay, if you want to go pee-pee, yes, you're going to have to go pee-pee in a hole in the ground. But there's a toilet somewhere. I can't need one. I got to go pee-pee. Oh my. She knows nothing. Lep, you may approach me. Approach. Blanket. Okay, well, this video... Okay, this video is not going well, so we'll talk to you next time.